yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the mighty, mighty Two Williams to get back to business, to get back in the fight, to put that wrist all the way down to the depths of hell. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Two Williams down, or will the Two Williams take that mighty wrist, light it on fire, and let the devil do the rest, and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister. Okay, he's supposed to be chasing the Suzuki GSX800. Is that a fast bike, y'all? Oh, there you go, right there. Is that him? Hold on. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, wrist twist from hell. I hope you're ready, devil. Is that a guy? Or is that a girl? I don't know if that's a dude or a girl. We know it's a Chad Uki or a Sarah Uki. It looked like a dude because it's like a woman because it's like a half top shirt or coat that they got on. But you know some of these dudes. I ain't gonna go too much further than that, but some of these guys out here is acting a fool. I don't see how the cop is keeping up with him though. Man, put that wrist all the way down, turn wrist twist. Light that wrist on fire and let's go. You better get off that shoulder. That ain't nothing to play with, especially on no bike. And them gators get a hold to you, it's a wrap. Yeah, he or she playing with fire. I don't know if it's a she or a he because the body type is telling me it's a she, but I could be wrong. There you go. Ooh, they got little. Man, where'd the bike go? Officer Jonathan Johnson, JJ, is on the pursuit. Shout out to JJ Jonathan Johnson. It ain't looking good for you, Jonathan. I don't see that bike no more. To infinity and beyond. Man, that bike got little. That bike running for real. Running like the deodorant was running from my arms at the gym this morning. I couldn't find it. I was mustier than a scoundrel. Good thing I work out alone. Hey, don't never go with nothing but powder deodorant. That clear deodorant, it go on clear and it come off clear. I see the bike up there, y'all. I see a little bit of light. That may be it, that may not be it. That's that bike definitely right there, right? Come on, how is he hawking you down like that? Is the GSX fast, 800? Seemed like it would be fast. Might be a rookie on this bike, y'all. It might be a rookie. Might be a little scared of the bike. I don't know what y'all think, Werewolf Pack. It looked like they kind of scared of the bike because we just saw him take off on that cop. And the cop, what do you got in that back seat? Cookie sheets? Donut sheets? All that racket, man. Cookie racks? I guess. Shout out to, hold on, what's going on here? Why is the cop car's tight? It's like it's rattling. Did he catch a flat? Shout out to LR&H Cash, man. Go show him some love, y'all. Man, what does he got in that back seat? All that rattling, man. You ain't supposed to live in your cop car, bro. I definitely don't see that bike no more. He might have got away, or she. I can't just say it's a he. We gotta give equal love to everybody. I don't know if it's a he or a she, but they look like they're gone with the wind, dancing with wolves. It ain't looking good for you, JJ. Go ahead and call that 1020, man. Go ahead and turn them lights off, my boy. It's okay. Turn them off. Save that taxpayer money, man. Tax is already high enough. Save a little bit of money for us, please. There you go. Okay, we got another cop. JJ lost. We got Officer Ethan Heelan. Ethan Heelan is on the prowl. And it sounds like he got a V8. Okay, now, the two Williams got away from the first guy. Let's see if they can get away from the next guy. There you go up there. I see the light. Just give me the light and pass the through. Okay, he got two cops on him now. I keep saying him. It could be a she. I got to give equal opportunity. The ladies said they want some love too. Don't look back. Keep looking forward. You can't be looking back going them speeds. What are you doing? You better run, Forrest, run, Forrest, run! It looked like a rookie, but then again, they got away from the first cop, so I can't say it's a rookie. They got away. You better get off that. Oh! They lost it. I see you can't be on that shoulder. You never know what you could hit. See, they hit something right there. See, you gotta stay away from that shoulder. You do not know what is on that shoulder. Did they hit that telephone pole? Treacherous. Where they at?
Hey, stand the ground, stand the ground, stand the ground.
Oh, there they go.
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up. He may not even have a hand. Put your hands up. Hey, diabolical. Put your hands up. They may have a concussion. Arms might be broken. Put your hands up. Officer, I don't even know if I got arms. Shut up. They get cry. They probably in pain. These officers be tripping, man. Yeah, I know he broke the law, but he probably is in excruciating pain. He or she may be messed up. They flew off the bike at 80, 90, 100 miles an hour.
David Boy 706.
You be crying too.
303. David Boy 706 303.
You think that bike is good? Can the bike be saved?
Check him through. Yeah, just... Hey, stay on your side, okay? Are you bleeding into it?
Hold on. Sound like Aladdin.
Shut up. Hey, you still
So you asking him, is he okay? And is he bleeding? And then you tell him to shut up. I don't understand. I don't get it.
Hey, stay down, bro.
It's a guy, y'all.
Here's his wallet. Hey, Tuck.
The half-top jacket is diabolical, though.
Yeah, there should be a lock.
Nah, he all right. He just flipped at 100 miles an hour. He good. He said, is he hurt?
I don't think I do. Two. That's my car at 544 is my car detail.
I don't think they're gonna show what he looked like, but I think it was a Heck Uki. It was a Heck Uki, y'all. I thought it was a Chad Uki or a Sarah Uki, but it's actually a Heck Uki.
Yeah, I'll research.
Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. I don't know if this person, this Heck Uki, was a rookie or just. I don't think he was a rookie. I don't think he was a professional driver, a great driver. I think he was like just an average driver because he got away from the first cop. I don't think a rookie can get away from the first cop. I don't think a beginner rider will be able to get away from the first cop, but any smart driver would know you can't keep playing with fire on that shoulder. I know you're trying to get away, and I understand that, but the plan with getting on that shoulder at nighttime, it's already dangerous enough trying to do it in the daytime, but at nighttime where you can't see nothing, you playing with fire. Look at him, he's flying on the shoulder. If you know what a gator is, you know what I'm talking about. Do you know what type of debris is on those shoulders? That's why you call it gators. The things are snatch them, get in between those spokes. It's a wrap. Flying. You can't be getting on that shoulder, man. Look at him. Boom, he hit something. It's like a bump or something. It's a wrap.
Crashed out.
That's why I say never get on that shoulder on a bike. It's just not worth it. And he going top speed, and he keep looking back for sure. You definitely shouldn't be looking back. Either they gonna catch you or they ain't gonna catch you. Stop looking back. That's a wrap. I know it's just natural for you to look back and see if they chasing you, but you're going so fast you really can't look back because you moving. You know how much feet you're covering in those little seconds that you look back. You look back, and once you done traveled 60 feet in a matter of seconds. You gotta listen. Let's just say thank you to the creator for him being alive, because it could have been much worse. It could have been much worse if he would have hit that big old drain holes right there, that tunnel pipe, whatever you want to call it. What if he would have hit that? He would have been airborne. He did go airborne, but he would have been airborne. He would have been up in the sky. Delta status. But with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this wonderful, wonderful two-wheeling chase. We can't say he didn't get away, because he got away once. He just, the luck didn't match up for him. The devil said, you only gave me one wrist. Now, if you would have gave me two wrists, you would have got away 2 times, but you gave me one wrist. So technically, I did my job. I'll be the collector wrist later. But with that being said, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe in a Werewolf Pack. I love you. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to meet me in the comments. And you know I like to say it. Can you drop a couple of those hype points in the Avengers Cup? If you got any more hype points left over, can you drop them in the Avengers Cup so I can get my muscles up, so I can get my real werewolf up? Because you never know. It could be a young werewolf that want to try the old werewolf. I got to stay leader of the pack, so I got to represent. I love you, Werewolf Pack. I would never attack one of y'all. I'm just playing. I love you, Werewolf Pack. I hope you stayed safe. I hope you had a good 4th of July, and I'm keep bringing this content for you. But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. Let's be happy with the blessings that we get. Let's stop being so darn selfish and be happy with the blessings that we get, because God darn it, we getting some good blessings. Ain't waking up breathing a blessing. Ain't being able to walk and talk and be healthy a blessing. Ain't just having a car a blessing. You ain't got to have the best car in the world. Just having a car is a blessing. Having a place to stay, ain't that a blessing? Having a few dollars in the bank account, is that not a blessing? It may be not the blessings that you really, really want, but it's the blessings that I would choose. I would at least want a few dollars in my bank account, be able to be healthy. We got to stop acting like we ain't getting no blessings. That's called pure selfishness. Hey, I'm guilty of it too. Sometimes I forget the blessings that I'm receiving. We all guilty of it, but sometimes we got to take a deep breath and realize we all getting some good blessings just by being 6 feet above the ground. I love you, Werewolf Pack. Let's be happy with some of the blessings that we getting, and let's stay safe. And with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. You pull your dirty drawers wearing butt over and take that ticket. But if you do decide to go all out and say, let's go ahead and go off that dookie juice and that diabolical schism, can you please listen to me now? Stay off the shoulder on that bike.